Sunskeptia Vantaa Metsolantie Metsolantie 1 niin Korso Vantaa.
It's an Orona with OR96 bang resistant.
Yeah.
I guess. Strange.
Yeah.
That ceiling is very strange.
Yeah. The LED lights.
Where is the information?
Nowhere.
What they use it?
Yeah. Do you know the year?
2004.
So new.
EXFI 51401 PH.
Oh yeah, there's this one.
Orona uses too long serials.
What?
Orona uses too long serial numbers.
Yeah.
No, no close one.
Yeah. Two alarm buttons.
What?
Two alarm buttons.
Oh, one is a bell and then the other one is the on.
Yeah. It pressure 630 kilograms.
Mitäs meillä on gap that is good scratched?
Yeah.
See.
Inspected and maintained by Kerry. Suomen hissiurakko.
Yeah. How many elevators are big enough in Finland for this one?
I don't know. Vi se open series elevators.
Because I still want to go to Helsinki. I've tried some metro trains.
So why you want to take two full rides?
What?
Why you want to take two full rides?
With what?
This elevator. If you are busy.
Should I press the one then?
I don't know. That's it.
That's